Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post cocktail videos almost weekly on how to do easy cocktails. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, you could check in the link on the description below, or you could check it up somewhere up here. Today's cocktail is going to be based with 5 white spirits. I'm sure all you guys know what I'm talking about. Long Island iced tea. So to get started, take your hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you can use any glass that you have at home. Fill it with ice. Okay, so now you need to add spirits. So starting with Bacardi, white rum. You can use any preferred alcohol that you have at home. I'll be using a Bacardi when it comes to white. Add about 10 ml of white. 10 ml of vodka. Ten ml of gin, 10 ml of tequila, now you guys know what I'm talking about, and 20 ml of triple sec. You can use any preferred triple sec that you want. I'm using a San Andre. Wow. 50 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And 15 ml of simple syrup. Take your Coke Light and just pour it over the glass. But make sure you pour it really slow so you don't mix it. Wow, that looks amazing. So to complete your drink, you need a garnish. So you can garnish with a lime wheel or a lime wedge, whichever one do you want. So I'll be doing a lime wheel. Cheers. Get your Long Island iced tea. Enjoy. But before you start to drink, make sure you mix this drink and then you drink, so you don't end up drinking the alcohol later. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment if you want to see any more different cocktails. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy. Cheers.